Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making stage fright salmon patty sub. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. There's only one more recipe to go! To start this recipe off, you're going to want to make the salmon patties prepared by Bonnie. You'll need a pound and 5 ounces or 600 grams of salmon that you're going to chop up into chunks and plop in a food processor, and then pulse it until shredded but not mush because you still want that texture. Next, you're going to chop one small red chili. You're going to also grate a thumb-sized piece of ginger along with the zest of one lime. You're also going to chop 1 tablespoon of cilantro or coriander. Then you're going to put all that in your salmon along with a tablespoon of fish sauce. I didn't have fish sauce, so I used soy sauce, but it works. Once all that's mixed together, you're going to add 1.5 cups of fresh breadcrumbs and put in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the salmon patty sub. You're going to want to start with the pickled cucumber, so you're going to want to peel a cucumber into thin slices or just chop it thinly. Now you're going to thinly slice 4 radishes and then put the cucumbers and radishes in a colander and sprinkle with a half a teaspoon of sea salt and let sit for 10 minutes. While that's waiting, you can make the zingy mayo. You want to put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 5 chopped mint leaves, and the zest of half a lemon into a bowl and mix it together. Now, once the 10 minutes are up, you're going to squeeze the rest of the juice out of the cucumbers and radishes. You want to just squeeze as much as you can out. Now, you take the salmon out of your fridge and form it into small patties and just put it in some flour and get ready to fry it. And finally, you're going to put about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a frying pan over like medium-ish heat and fry the salmon patties to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. While your patties are cooking, you can turn on your broiler and toast your sub buns. You can also just put them in the toaster, that works too. And finally, to assemble, you're going to spread some of the zingy mayo on the bottom bun. Then you're going to put watercress, 2 or 3 of the salmon patties, the pickled radishes and cucumbers, and if you have extra, top it with some more zingy mayo, and enjoy. This was really good. It was very, very yummy. I don't think it's my favorite salmon recipe out of the book, but it's definitely up there. Honestly, like 9 out of 10. I would definitely make this again.